Dear students, this video discusses about decimal adders. So the two decimal digits is shown here as A1 is A0 A1, A2 A3 and B0 B1, B2 B3. So these two has to be added and a carry denoted by Cn, that is from the previous addition, and the output from the adder says some decimal digits shown as Z0, Z1, Z2, Z3, and the carry out obtained, which is shown as C out. So this is the general block diagram of the single decade decimal adder. So usually 8421 by coding scheme is the most commonly used in decimal digital systems, and it is referred to as BCD. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. So when we are using binary coded decimal, when you consider, we cannot use the traditional method of addition for all the numbers. That is, suppose for consider an example, addition of 8 plus 5. So if you write the decimal for 8, it will be 1000 and 5 can be denoted as 0101. So the addition of this will result in 1101, or else it is equal to 13. But 13 in BCD, usually it will be written as, this 1 will be written as 0001 and 3 will be written as 0011. So if you want to convert the result of the traditional addition into BCD, in order to make it in the same form, we have to add a 6 to the number. Then whatever output we are obtaining is same as the BCD result. So whenever we are adding using BCD, so there is some correction technique to be applied in order to make it the correct answer. So this is the truth table for binary sum and the required BCD sum. So when you consider here, so this is the binary sum. So we have written it from 0 to 19, and here you have the required BCD value. So if you see the binary sum and the required BCD, it can be seen that from 0 to 9 the binary sum and the required BCD sum are the same, but from 10 to 19 the values are differing. That is, from, if you consider the values from K, P3, P2, P1, P0 less than or equal to 9, you don't have to apply any correction for the digits. But for the values above 9, you need to apply the correction. So correction is basically addition of 6. So in order to find out what should be the equation, from this truth table itself easily we can find out that, so one of the equation is corresponding to K. So addition 6, the expression will be K plus, the other one is very common, which is seen here, is this part which corresponds to P3, P2, and the other min term is corresponding to this part which corresponds to P3, P1. So this is the correction equation that is needed to convert the binary sum into the required BCD. Also we can write the same expression using a truth table also. So this is the organization of a single decade BCD adder. So after obtaining the result after addition, so this is the output from the BCD adder. So you have to pass it through a correction network in order to get the required BCD. Also the truth table for the expression, we can draw the truth table and consider the values from 0 to 15. So if you write the values from the truth table, so we can group the terms. So this will be one grouping and this will be another grouping. So this grouping corresponds to P3, P1, and the other grouping corresponds to P3, P2, and plus the other terms, that is below. So we have to consider below 15 also. So that will correspond to K. So the Boolean expression describing the correction will be add 6 whenever the expression is equal to k plus p3 p2 plus p3 p1. Any one method can be followed in order to find this. So now we can draw the single decade BCD adder. So this is a 4-bit binary adder. So here we have given the bits A0, A1, A2, A3, and here we have B0, B1, B2, B3, and the carry is given to the network. So we get the output, and we have to apply the correction whenever the values are corresponding to this expression, that is k plus p3 p2 plus p3 p1. So this will be connected, this will be equivalent to k, this will be p3 p2, and next is p3 p1. So this expression will be implemented. So whenever this expression is correct, the output of this network will be equivalent to 1. So here a 0 will be given to the network. So this is corresponding to 0 0, and whenever this condition has been correct, for those expression the output of this logic network will be 1. So here you will be obtaining this as 0 1 1 0, which is equivalent to 6. So that 6 will be added to the result of this network in order to get the required sum. So by implementing the correction network, we obtain the required sum. So please share, like and subscribe the channel.